In the last video we had a bunch of buttons which changed the color of a canvas, which was okay when we had two buttons, but if you needed a lot more different colors you'd have to add a button each time. That would be tiresome. So this time we're going to use a picker to change the color of a canvas, a list picker. So I'm just going to drag a list picker over there, and we're going to need a canvas as well, and we need to set some things, like for example the name. I hate the default names. Picker colors will be a good name here, and canvas, I'm going to call it main, canvas main again. Now for the picker, I'll put some text on there, so it says colors, perhaps, seems good, and I'm going to set the things that will appear when I hit the picker. So I want the word red, green and blue to appear. You'll notice I've set capital R, capital G, capital B. That's what I want to appear. I'm also going to have to be very careful to use the exact same capitalization when I use these in the block. So on my phone that picker will look like that. That's one I did earlier. So I've got the blue and green the other way around, but yes, that's how it will look. So let's just quickly set this canvas size so that it fills the whole screen left to right. For the height you have to set the number of pixels for some reason rather than just fill, don't know why. So let's go into the blocks, and I'm going to say for the picker of colors, and there's a few things that we can do. This when thing is like an event that happens. So after picking, before picking, got focus, lost focus. After picking makes sense. So after I've actually picked something, we're going to do something, which is change the color of the canvas. But I'm going to use an if statement to decide what color to change it to. So I'm going to drop an if in, and I need to say if the picker color, so the picker color dot selection, this thing, picker color dot selection, is equal to red. But to do an is equal to, I need to use logic, because that's a logical statement if something is equal to. So I'm going to say if picker colors dot selection equals, and the text is going to be what I want, so I use this funny little text thing. So I'm saying if the text from picker colors dot selection is equal to that red, then do this thing, and fairly obviously I'm going to change the background color of canvas main again. Where's that? Set back canvas main dot background color to red, and that will work for that one. I'm going to duplicate that for the others as well, because that was quite a lot of effort to put all of those things in the right place. So duplicate and then duplicate again, and I'm going to just change this to blue and set that to blue. Very careful here. Capital RED, exactly the same as I had in the picker for the list we had to select from. Red, blue, green. And it's going to be the number one mistake is people incorrectly setting that, and that will work.